Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live trading session. Today is Wednesday, February 26th. It's 9:21. My name is Mo G. I'm a lead trader here with TWA. We offer TWA indicators, education, and more. So today, let's hop right into our pre-market analysis. Uh, since yesterday's new structure low, we've had higher lows. We have a new support box here. However, keep in mind, around 8:30 we did get a lower low, which now turned into a new structure low here. But on a higher time frame, it's a higher low. So what does this mean for us? This means, we could be looking for longs in the morning. Just be aware that we've really got stuck at this level, and this is a 21,300 area. We've been stuck at this level most of the day. So let's see if the bulls can win this area and push us up to the 4 or even the 500s today. If not, if they push us back down, we can see price possibly get to I'm saying between the 950s to 850 area, just based on the new structure low here. If it really wants to tumble, we can see us get to this 8 to 700s. We won't know for sure until we see New York open. We got to see what the participation is in the market, but this is just a general idea. And if I jump over here, let me just turn on update the algo a little bit so we can see that. A couple seconds to load. All right, so you can see now higher time frame is saying short. Overall trend we disregard. Session control right now in London is bullish. However, price actions on a retracement. You can see that this is a 30-second money zone is on top of price. So again, we're gonna see if we can break through. If the bulls want to break through and push price up, or if the bears protect this area and a sell-off happens. Let's see. Let's put on here. Let's see what the IVD looks like. Okay, IVD is gray. So that just means right now, as of right now, there's no one's in control. Bears aren't in control. Bulls aren't in control. And this tells me it's time to wait and see until the open of what they want to do. And good morning, Cloud. How are you?
I'm good. Today, I'm open-minded, trade both sides.
There we go.
I will take a position.
You call it, you trade it.
Yes. No more just seeing things, calling it, and not taking it. Market is getting disrespectful again. I don't like that. It's too early for that.
Yeah, this is a wait and see approach right now.
The
'Cause,
averages are about to be mixed soon.
yeah, so everything just take your time, take a breath, everybody. We got a long trading session ahead of us. A lot of things can change in the next 10, 15, 20 minutes. Most important thing is you don't have to jump in to trades or anything until you feel your analysis is helping you. If you feel confused or anything like that, just don't trade that day. we've had what, 4 bearish days in a row. Means nothing. That was yesterday. Let's see what we got going on here. This over there. This over. Yeah. And on the screen right now, this right here that you're seeing, the gray candles, that's the IVD. They have no directional, they're not calling out direction right now. So you just gotta wait until and they let you know a direction. This is a trigger chart down here. This is the two of them. This is the pinpoint trigger chart and the TWA Trade Advisor. I like using both together because when they match, we get pretty good movement. When all three match, direction with the entry, you get really good movement.
Today is the G20 summit, the start of it. We also have new home sales today, and we have my favorite this afternoon: Nvidia earnings. Nvidia earnings. So, if you see a little chop, I'll say stay out. Preserve your capital for later on tonight. Tonight we have Nvidia, Snowflake AI. We have Salesforce. All this afternoon. Plus the G20 summit. Let me open in a minute and a half, you guys. Look alive, look alive.
All right, we got 20 seconds. Here we go. 20 seconds till open.
Let's be open-minded today. We're open.
And we're open. All right, let's see what New York wants to do.
Already super cheap. God. Previous daily close is at 150 area. Golly, the market.
It's only 1 minute. It's not even 30 seconds into it.
I know. I'm just looking at the Asia lows right here.
Let's see. Still waiting. Still waiting. Now I'm waiting not because I don't see an entry. It's because I don't see a direction yet. So I'm waiting.
Sheesh. I like how we're holding a little bit here. Just watching it for now. But I do like how we're holding. But again, this could be just one of them. I like how we're holding, and you get a 150 points drop.
Yeah.
Watching that- I'm still watching that previous daily close at 150 though. Honestly,
Hmm.
Man, you know, you can't see it. I can see it, bro.
IVDs are starting to change to red. see how high this wants to retrace.
Okay. I missed that entry.
Okay. Okay. All right.
You liking
I'm
it?
liking this. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm liking what the data's showing me. Yeah, man, I really think we might be bumping back and forth to there.
Range bound, you think?
I think so. Doesn't mean there's not opportunities, right? There'll be opportunities, but I think there's gonna be opportunities in both directions.
View up right here.
So when I say that, like what is my thinking? That's just me saying, okay, if I think we're ranging, I'm going to reduce my contract sizing.
You might come down. Hold on. Let's see this. Let's see if this closes. Hopefully it doesn't. Keep going up. I got a breakout printing on the smaller time frames. Wait, I don't want to take it to shit because we're right at VWAP. Oh, we're right here, the 1 minute money zone as well, too. The bottom of the 1 minute money zone. Okay. Not taking it yet. Okay, I'm glad I didn't take it right there, right at VWAP. I'm so glad I didn't take it. I don't know why I'm still eyeing longs. I'm trying to break out of it, but I want to go long. I may have to wait a little bit longer now since we had that bear statement print. Oh, hold on. Market is disrespectful, man. I'm telling you, it's disrespectful.
Yeah, so far I have no trades, and I'm not even looking for an entry right now because nothing's really happening. That could be because of what Cloud said, that we have some speakers and stuff later, and so participation. I mean, for New York, it's at 13, the ATR on 15 seconds, so nothing much going on right now. Any questions out there? Anybody? I know blockchain. He took a short. Anyone else looking at any trades? Took any trades? You can even see on your screen, even the trigger is yellow.
Oh,
So that's indecision. So you know,
I'm long on accident. Okay. I'm long. No, I was hovering over the button and I didn't mean to click it. I'm gonna just take my first
yeah,
trim here because this is an accident trade right here.
yeah,
Okay, I'm flat. Okay. I went straight to break even immediately.
yeah.
Okay.
Just be
I did
aware
I did
if
not
you
mean.
are looking long in this area. Just be aware. Um, I'm just I'm seeing range. I'm personally seeing range right now. Um, and the market has not told me what it can't do yet. So we'll see. Now, why am I seeing range? You see how the IVD went from red to gray to green, and the background, you can't see the background here, but the background is gray. Went from red to gray. You know that could be a bullish sign. However, if I go here and I show you the dashboard, you can see the dashboard is showing bear signals. So I'm seeing bullish and bearish signals at the same time. I just wait until they start matching. And if I look at the higher time frame, you know, you see right now this is the open. This was the open. This is the next 15 minute. This is a bullish candle. But if it can't break this game plan area, then I'll be looking for an opportunity for short. So I just got to sit and wait now. This is a test for me because I don't like to wait. So this is a big test for me. Even though I'm pretty patient, but this is a learning lesson for me, especially because it's the day after a payout, and I'm wiping away whatever happened for me to get the payout. I got to wipe it away and just look at what's on my chart now. I mean, you can even see it. Like, just look at here,
We were right there,
up.
VWAP
We
again.
went
Let's see if
right
you can hear
back
me.
down. We went right back up to the same area. Could we push down? Maybe. I have no idea. Cloud just said we're at the VWAP area again. So
I said I took the accidental trade a little too heavy, so I'm kind of just patient. I'm up for the day right now on that trade. I mean, on that account. So I'm just going to just be a little more patient this time, a little more cautious. I feel like we're gonna have hesitations in the 90s. If we don't, then I'm gonna be upset that I missed this long. But you know, it's all good though. It's all good. It's all good. I don't want to complain because I've been complaining a lot about missing trades, but
oh, forget it now. Yeah, I'm not touching this for a
green
while.
background.
No, you see
Well,
this? We have green background. We see how we're ranging on the dashboard. So we're ranging here. There's no order. We have bullish
top of the
session
bear squeeze
control.
zone.
We have price actions reversal. That's why you're seeing it climb up. But look at how it's climbing up. That this is an important note, right? You see, we still have a resistance area here, and it's fighting its way. Like it's not a really clean push up. It's actually chopping its way up. And you can see it here on the lower time frame. This is a 15-second, obviously, but you can see how it went from indecision and then green, and now we're still like indecision back to green. I'm not touching this just yet. I'm not touching it. And if we get here, we might just bounce from this area back down and back up and back down until it breaks a certain way. So that's what I'm seeing, everybody. Now, if you're in a long from around this point here where the buy sign is, if you're a TP1 player, you should have hit your TP1 already. Let's see if the runner can run for you.
Mm. Man, today. Come on, friends. Come on, friends. Come on. Stop being scared. Take a trade. Look at the chart correctly. What are you seeing? We're in the 90s. I said hesitation. Is it going to be hesitation? Let's see.
All right, we got a fake out sign. Let's see what price wants to do.
We got data in 3 minutes.
Thank
Can y'all hear me?
Yep, we can hear you. Thank goodness, because we need some kind of.
Oh, my volume was turned down. That's why I was like, why is everybody so quiet?
Like, everybody's ignoring me. No, I just can't hear you.
No, I can hear you. I'm sorry, my volume on my laptop was just turned all the way down. I have no idea why. I must have pressed the button. But, huh? I can I said again. It's like fainted.
Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's see what kind of participation we'll get. Okay, we got 30 seconds until a new 4-hour candle. Let's see. Okay, new 4-hour. Let's see which way the market wants to go. Yeah, green wraparound, green IVD. Session control is bullish. Price actions and a reversal. High time frame is on a range. Is the ATR staying or going? Okay, ATR is going up. Barely. No trades so far.
I feel like we're doing the Discord a disservice, but at the same time, it's like I don't want to force a trade, you know.
I'm not forcing a thing. Listen,
No, I
I
know,
love the
especially
community. I love everybody,
yes,
but I'm here to make money. So if this is a boring day, great. That means I saved money.
yeah.
Like
Hey,
that's my attitude.
being in cash is being in a position. Being on
Hmm.
cash is being in a position. So
So
I'm looking
that's
at
fine
this
with me.
327 weekly level to see what happens, and London high is also at 332. So I'm just looking at the 330s, honestly. A break above and hold above 330. I might take my first long position very small though, like 5 micro small. But then again, it's like I kind of want to wait because we've been in such a bullish, a bearish market in the short term, like in the past week or so. That London high may not even hold, so I'm just watching it honestly. I do like the TPO candle coloring right now on some of these charts like YM and ES.
Well, let's see, what is it now?
But just listening to what we talked about yesterday about the dashboard, let me focus on that.
Yeah, focus on the dashboard. So I want to talk about the dashboard now. Let me put it
Please
on the
do.
screen. So this dashboard is so important, right? If you look at ES and YM, I believe it's Nasdaq follows them. I think that's how it goes. I have to be. I'll double check that before the end of the stream. But so if they're bullish, that's kind of a sign that price action might be bullish on NQ. What I look at, and you have some of your stocks like this is Apple and Amazon, okay. But what I really look at is this piece here. When this is what I'm looking at. Okay, if this and this line up, the green, 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 then I'm ready to look for a long entry. If they all line up, 1, 2, 3, 4 to green, I'm definitely looking for a long entry, like 100%. When it's mixed like how it is today, you see how it's yellow, red, and then green. You can expect this type of movement. It'll come up, it'll come back down, it'll come up, it'll move back down. Like, because the dashboard is telling you in very basic terms, like, hey, we're ranging on the higher time frame. Our order, there is none, so that means the trend is not set. And this here is the current action in the current session. That doesn't mean it's going to continue going in that direction, right? Because if you look at what's price doing right now, right? It went up, it came back, it went up, it came back, it went up. Now it's really coming back, and then it might come up again and back and up. When I see movement like that, uh, I've learned my lesson for too many years. I stay away, man. Like, I'm sorry, I just stay away.
And again, man, we have the G20 summit that starts today. We have Nvidia earnings. We have a lot of big earnings this afternoon. Tomorrow we have more news as well too. I mean, I might have one of them days where it's like that one trade I took on accident may just be the only trade I take.
Yeah, I mean, even like if I switch back to the other trigger chart, look, you could see it. We had a red prove it, but then green candles, right? So we moved up. Then you had a fake out. Then you had a red prove it, but we're still green. See how like it'll push down, come up. It pushed down again and came right back up. Like there's entries here. Please don't get me wrong. There are entries here, right? If this is a market that speaks to you that you can see, take your entries. Obviously, for someone like me who I'm a trend trader, I like to follow the trend. If I can't see the trend, I'm not going in. And that's years of experience of me first saying it, now me saying it and doing it. Because I've lost way too many times to do the same mistake again. So I just wait. I'll answer questions on YouTube. But for right now, like we're just hovering around this level I have here. Don't really want to go anywhere. So I gotta keep myself busy. This is a great day for questions. This is the perfect day for questions. Because I am available for any and all
Yeah, this is
questions
really the
that you
best
may
day
have.
for questions. I don't think we're taking any more trades or see anything in
Yeah,
the market like
yeah.
that.
Probably not on the live, to be honest with you. I'm just looking at some of the signals, like if I would have gotten into a long, and all of them that I would have taken possibly could have given me TP1, but then would have taken me out. Because here, I'll write it on the chart so you guys can see it. Where am I? Wrong chart. This one. So, if I was gonna look long, let's say this looks like a good entry right here. And if I follow that to here, it called it here. So I would have probably gone in, let's say there. That might be, let me just zoom in a bit. See if I would have gone in here. Let me just put this vertical line up. Okay, so if I would have gotten in here, I saw it that. How many points is that? 68. Yeah. Maybe not even. I don't even think I would have hit TP1. Let me. I'm gonna do this real time to see if I would have even gotten my TP1. Let's go. Not that one. This one. Okay, so let's go here. It would have been the next one. I don't. That's too much. I usually do it. Let's go with a 13-point stop. Let's go 15-point stop. Would I have hit it? It would have went. Actually, I'll go with a 10. 10's a good number. Let's see here. Yeah. If I would have entered this trade, it would not have hit my TP1. Let me just make sure I am saying this correctly. Oh yeah, it would have just given me TP1 before taking me out. Wow. So that's one place. And what's this, the next spot I would have liked? Prove it, no. I'll say here, but there's no signal. This to this, not really. Yeah, that was the piece, maybe the only one I would have liked to enter. Maybe this one. If I was forcing it, I probably would have tried that one. Let's zoom in. Let's see. Okay, so if I would have entered here, let's say, and let's go stop. Let's get it around 10. TP1 is usually 7, 5. Here, let's go 8 just to see. Yeah, this one would have been a loss. This is why I don't trade markets like this. Because I would need at least a 20-point stop on days like this. That means light contracts. Because if I move this out to 20, yep, 20 points would have been a nice stop for here. This one probably same thing. 20 points. Yeah, about 20, a little more, maybe 25 to be safe in this one. That's too rich for my blood. I don't want to do that. Why don't I want to do that? Very simple. Because of this. I don't care what any of this says. These are triggers to get in. Everything will look good on a trigger. It's more of what direction is telling me. What is this telling me? We're still we're hitting up. We're gonna hit up against a resistance point here, but it took what? Felt like it took forever to get to where we are. But let it fly, let it fly. For all those in the long, congratulations. Just let it fly. Okay, so no trades have been taken today. Here's a breakout X. Let's see if a fake out prints. Yep, this is definitely a real trading day. What I'm enjoying is I'm not feeling pressure or anything to get into anything. Um, there's no FOMO because I don't feel like I missed anything. And to be honest, what I'm actually thinking is like I might just turn off everything and do something else today. Because I'm not an afternoon trader, so if the moves don't happen in the morning for me, I'm okay with it. I'll just wait for the next morning. Here she comes. I can see price retesting the 300. If it breaks through that, it'll retest the 240s. And then if it doesn't stall there, I can see it trying to force its way to past London's low. Okay, let's see. Got a sell sign. Do you see it on the screen? Yeah, got a sell sign there. A bunch of nothing.
I thought we were going to get a clean breakout and if we would have got above 378. Remember what I said about that about the 327 level? We get a strong close above it, I'm gonna take a long. So I took a long there. I'm flat now, but I'm looking to take another trade again above this 330s areas again. I'm just waiting for the evidence lines to turn green. 340 would be a nice hold above the London high. But I'm not like taking no real. I'm more just scalping right now. No real positions. 'Cause I don't really see anything in the market. We have the G20 summit that started today. Like I said, we have a Fed speaker at noon. Bostic. We have Trump speaking at some point today. Once I saw that, I'm not taking no real positions. Tomorrow we have GDP, unemployment claims, durable goods, all at 8:30. We have a Fed speaker at 9:15. Then again at 10 o'clock, we have pending home sales. We have the Fed speaker Barr talking, G20 summit, and then a bunch of other Fed speakers like Bowman speaking, Hammock is speaking. And then on Friday, it's going to be very lovely, I think. We have core PCE, good trades, personal income, personal spending, wholesale inventory, Chicago PMI. We have Goldsby speaking at 10:15, which I think, depending on what that move is at 10:45 after all that news clears off, depending if we're bullish and the news is within line with what the Fed has been saying during the minutes, Goldsby should send us to high. We should be bullish on Friday. Don't quote me on that. That's still depending on what the news tells us, but I'm bullish on Friday. Up until then, I'm just going to take trades as I see.
All right, the bulls, if they don't step in here, we're gonna head down. participation is kicking up. Slightly. Nothing crazy. So the dashboard's all red on the here on the YM. Hold on this side. Well, over here in mix on the lower time frame, it's all red. 30-second, you have ES that's red, YM's green, but they might be flipping to red soon. What's happening here? All right, so we wicked above this resistance point and then came right back down. Let's see if it can break this resistance box. If it can, that's great. If you're bullish, because then that's possibly 100 points to the next area. Okay, so it's getting to it's only 10:30. You know what? I'm gonna keep the chart on the screen for a little bit, and I will be right back.
All right, you guys. I am actually fully back. I'm actually gonna call it a day here. I'm actually about to go golfing. Me personally, I've we just have too much going on in the news, and we are ranging. I think. Let me see. Actually not ranging. Oh, we're actually not ranging yet. TPO candles turned green for Nasdaq, NYM, and ES. Okay, well, and we have green backgrounds. I'm still gonna call it a day, honestly, today. Hold on. Hey Mo, you still actively trading right now?
No, I'm just watching right now because
I feel sorry, but yeah, I'm done too.
yeah.
I just come back tomorrow or later on. For me, it's like we still have good price action. I just want us to stay above this 327, really above 378. But until then, I'm chilling. So like I'm gonna go play golf. I'll probably come back later on or check my phone. Like as I'm on the course to see what happens.
Are you good?
Yeah. I took that one long on accident, made some money,
No, no,
and
no. I mean,
I
are you
told
good
you.
at golf?
Oh, I mean, I mean,
I
I'm
suck.
not going to enter no tournaments and nothing like that, but I'm decent.
No,
I'm
I
decent.
might go. I might take. I might go to the driving range. Hit a couple balls around.
The
It's a
weather's
nice day
nice out
today,
here.
too.
Yeah, the weather's nice. Weather's nice. That's kind of why I'm going out. But all right, you guys, I got tea time 1 o'clock, and I had to make run one errand. All right, you guys, see you guys later.
All right, Cloud. Take care.
All right.
All right, everybody. So we're gonna wrap up this call today a little early. Let me just get back on camera so you guys can see me. There we go. All right, so no trades for me today. I'm not trading this market. From what I'm seeing, I just want to stay away from it. Not that it's a bad market to trade, but I just got too many mixed signals to feel comfortable risking um, any capital on it. So with that mindset, I just don't need to trade today. If I don't feel the need to risk capital based on what I'm seeing, I won't. Let's just do a little recap before we go. So you can see here, we are fighting our way up towards this resistance area here. We're chopping along. It's gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down. We almost broke this resistance. Now it's back. So that's that chop that I don't want to trade. You can even see it in the price action. Yes, we are going up. It's going up, but it's just one of those days where it's just going to kind of chop, and then you're gonna get a retrace down, and then chop again. I'm not looking to risk any money today. So, with that, let's see. Let me just check to see if we have any questions before we go. And if not, let's see. Any questions? No questions. All right, everybody. So we're gonna end this early. It's a choppy day. This is the day to save your capital, do something else, and see what tomorrow brings. Until then, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.
Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know, green and red like disco flow.